another mystery pin unboxing. And I didn't sing it. Right, so this week I've sold 2 pins to fund the new set. So what I'm left with are 4 cat dogs, 3 Susie Angelicas, 1 Tommy and Chucky, 1 Ariel Monsters, and 1 Hey Arnold. Will this be the lucky box? I knew I couldn't hold it in forever. There had to be a song there somewhere. Anyway, thank you to LF Lovers. Super fast delivery. I ordered yesterday, they came today. Doesn't taste nice. Always packaged wonderfully. Oh look, I can recycle this. So if you order any pins off me, you know they're going to be well packaged. Is this going to be Ren and Stimpy? I don't have any feelings. I'm ignoring the ones that say no, it's definitely not this box. Because I don't want that to be true. Oh, I'm nervous now. It feels heavy. Does it feel heavy? Does it feel heavier than normal? Could it be Ren and Stimpy? I don't know what it is. It could be any of them at this point. What do we think? Is this the one? Is this the one? Come on. It's another Tommy and Chucky. So we battle on. It's not what I want, but you know, it's another pin I can sell or trade. I hope the next one's going to be the lucky one. I haven't found anyone to trade with yet though. So this is what we got left. Hopefully you can see them. Oh, this store is so squeaky. Yeah, so we have plenty of Rugrats, plenty of cat dogs. 1 left each of these. And we need Ren and Stimpy. I want us all to collectively manifest Ren and Stimpy for me in my next box. If we all put our minds together, we can make it happen. Bye.